Hi class. So today we're going to actually turn this into a game by allowing us to die. So it's actually pretty easy. We're going to come up to our JavaScript and everything is really focusing on moving that bird to the right. So what we're going to say is if not game over, then we're going to move our bird. So if the game is not over, move the bird. Otherwise, we're not going to move that bird. And we're going to draw everything else just because things may happen where we need the game to stay alive. We're just not flying anymore. I'm going to say function, game over. And what we need to do is we need to check if we're near a pipe. So when we come up to where we're drawing our pipes, we've got this start I thing going on here. And actually I'm going to copy this whole function. We're going to take pieces. So game over, and we kind of are caring about this and that. So what we're going to do is we don't need to loop. We're just going to look at the current pipe that we're at. So we're going to look and hopefully our console will be printing what pipe we're looking at until we're not looking at that pipe. Let's see what this gives us. F12, because we're not doing anything except printing. Oh, and it says I is not defined because we're not in a loop. So it's going to be start I equals so I should be start I. So pipe is 600 and then it just kind of that's not the number that I'm looking for. So let's see. We can say what's happening is every pipe gap I don't like current pipe is equal to the camera pan divided by pipe gap. So actually let's look at this. So I'm changing things around a little. I'm just trying to find where our pipes belong. So we're going to do console log the current pipe. Might give us a better. So current pipe is 0. And then it hits 1 and then hits 2. Okay, so that looks pretty good. We don't, we're going to do a math.floor, which will round it to the nearest integer. So now we're 0. Boom, now we're at pipe 1. 2, pipe 3, pipe 4. So we found the pipe that we're looking for. Now we only care if we're close to that pipe gap. So if camera pan mod pipe gap is greater than, so let's say less than 50, then let's print the pipe. So what we're trying to do now is only print when we are close to being able to hit the pipe. We don't need to worry about if we're hitting the pipe if we're not next to the pipe. So a little bit of a if you see that's hitting right about great. Now it's one index too far, I think. So I'm gonna actually, you know what? I think I'd like to say is greater than pipe gap minus 50. Again, just trying to get perfect. So now, if we're in a position where we could possibly hit the pipe, I'm not going to print it. What we want to do is we want to find that pipe position, and let's close this. Let's when we're drawing the set of pipes, draw a set of pipes. We've got a gap. And we're dividing by 2 on both sides. So let's come down here. So we're going to say pipe position I, not pipe position I, it's pipe position current pipe. Minus gap divided by 2. And we can say, we don't even need to do this. We can say, if we're on a current pipe and our pipe position, current pipe minus 2 gap, if our bird dot y is less than this, or bird.y is greater than the bottom pipe, we need to put those in parentheses. So if that's true, then we say return true. So if we are at a pipe, otherwise we're going to return false. So if we're at a pipe and our bird is either above the bottom lip of the top pipe or below the top lip of the bottom pipe, then we are going to say, hey, we got a collision. We're looking for rough right now. We're not looking for super accurate. We'll get into super accurate later, but oh, okay, so that stopped me. So it's working, but maybe a little bit too aggressive. So let's see if we can get it. Okay, so that's ending there. That's a little bit too much. So bird Y is less than pipe position current pipe. Let's put this in braces, and we'll do a console.log. Pipe position current pipe. And for now, we're going to return false, meaning the game doesn't end even if we think it, but we're going to print that oh, gap is not defined. Hey, so it was breaking. It wasn't. So where do we get gap from? Draw a set of pipes. Oh, we're just saying gap is 200. I'm going to bring this up, make this a global variable because I want to use it. In the same space, and I want, if I change gap, I only want to have to change it in one spot. Oh, look at that. So nothing, and then if I come up here, printing, okay. So I think it was an error that was breaking, not code, not our code. So we're going to go back to return true. I'm also going to off-screen probably delete some of my console logs, especially for that mouse click one. But okay, so we're playing the game. Let's see if we can. And the game is a little forgiving, but if we have a blatant death, boom, it hits. It's not perfect. Let's see, ready, boom. And we'll clean it up a little bit. It's a little messy, but we do have a game over. And what we need to do is we need to shift it around a little. We'll get to that later. Right now, we do have a way that the game ends. Not beautiful. It's off by a little bit. But that will be in another video when we clean that up. We should also print game over, things like that. Those are coming up. We don't have a lot of videos left because the game is getting closer. What I'd like to do next is try to draw the bird so it looks a little more like a bird. And then we'll just get into the details of making the game end a little more appropriately, starting new games, things like that. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next video.